Okay, so the coilover adapters arrived today, and we're doing the installation. The springs came out. It's pretty easy, just the rubber pad. Wait, are these rear ones lowering springs because they're yellow? They're cut stackers. These here are the. Those there are the adapters. Yeah.
From ResponseType.com.
ResponseTypeRacing.com. They specialize in Z31 suspension stuff.
Your fake
and
low
subframe swaps. You're saying this is my fake low voice? I'm not talking loud because the mic can actually hear me. Okay, so I'm gonna crop that. I'm gonna trim that part out, or I can make my brother look like a doofus if I wanted to. So yeah, I'm gonna keep y'all updated on the coilover suspension setup. Okay, so my brother's down there disassembling the shock from the control arm. I'm up here removing the interior pieces so we could drill the holes for the top hats. So stay tuned. And there's Andy.
Got some Ranger.
Alright, so we got the interior mostly apart. We're just gonna do one side at a time. Makes it way easier. Janky ass speaker wiring. I don't even know where half this stuff goes to. So yeah, when we put the coil in, we're gonna have to drill one hole right there. And yeah, I'll update you guys when we have the shock out and start messing around with the coil.
Got the wrist way. You should have gotten a video of that. It was so funny.
Okay. Did that hit you?
Is that what you were going for?
Okay, the shock is now out. Out with the old, in with the new. Distinguishing where the center of the hole is. Okay, so right now we're drilling the hole. Oh my gosh. I forgot where I tapped it at. Seems as if there are some technical difficulties. Yeah, I want to get this. It appears that we are aligned.
This whole operation.
Oop. Hey, is it the right size? Alright, so we got the lower bolt installed. I don't know if you can see that very well because I can't really see my camera. Can't let me get out from underneath. I got the light. There's the rust repair. I don't know if you guys want to see a video of that. If you do, so the top hat just got to be tightened down. It's getting late. I gotta eat and it's getting too cold, so we're just gonna do that one today, and maybe make this video like a 3 or 4 day video. Just cause. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. Yeah.
You sound so boring when you talk.
Thanks guys for watching. Alright, so we got that side installed last night. Right now I'm just loosening the bolts that hold on the rear fender well cover. The rear fender well interior cover. And yeah. Hopefully we can have this side done so we can move on to the front. If we have time, we'll do the front today. If not, oh well. So yeah, update you guys when I have this shock out. I don't know if I showed you it yesterday. I'll have to look. So yeah. Okay, so this is the reason we're putting coilovers in. The spring's sitting there loose. And it's all cut up and nasty. And the shock is tired. I'm gonna probably strengthen up the trailing arms some other day, powder coat them, and yeah, hopefully I can make a video about that. I'll see, I'll update you guys when I have the shock fully out, because it's supposed to sit inside that collar. You see how it flares out a little bit? Yeah. Yesterday I did it just by grinding it down using this belt sander with some 60 grit paper on it. I could use that, but it's all out of length, so I'm just using that. And currently my brother's taking out the
spring back in there?
He's taking out the shock.
You put the spring back in.
Why?
Just look.
Okay, he wants me to put the spring back in for some reason. It goes in the other way. It doesn't matter. See? Okay, so after a long, tedious time,
Long grueling process.
the bolt finally got out. And now here comes the easy part. Alright, watch and learn. So right now the hole is being drilled for the coilover.
I already marked this in the correct spot. So now we're gonna commence the drilling process.
Oh my gosh.
The battery died. It's a little off, but it's
Better than nothing. Okay, so right now I have to shape this spacer. Alright, so what I was doing there, I was machining the thing to fit into there. You see, it's got a nice chamfer. Oh, let's set this down on the ground. So it's supposed to fit in here. Be equal on either side. It's almost equal on the other side. I don't really care. And then I also had to grind it down so it would fit in there. And yeah, I'll update you guys when it's getting. So right now, this part's gonna get jacked up. The top hat got installed. When you drill the hole, you gotta move like oval it out inwards on either side. Otherwise, it won't fit properly. All right, so now it's like 6 inches higher, 6 or 7 inches higher than what it was. With the coilover in there now, fits nice in there. Now I have to tighten that bolt, get the wheel on, lower it down, and then move on to the front ones. I don't know if I'll make the front ones a separate video. Probably will. Just because I'm running out of space. So yeah. Alright, now the coilover is fully installed. Now it's time just to put the wheel on and then lower it on the ground. Alright, now the wheel actually looks decent when it's in the air. It looks low in the air. So right now it's getting lowered down. I thought it would just be fun to capture the moment it hits the floor. Gotta keep the piece of wood there so it doesn't, so the jack can actually slide out. Alright, moment of truth.
You all ready?
Yeah. Ooh. That's nice fitment.